Hi everyone, Emily with MarineMax Nisswa. We're looking at a 2026 Premier 210 Sunsation. I love the color combo that we did on this boat. It's nice black and graphite exterior. We have a Mercury 150 on this boat, so plenty of speed to get you through the day. I love that Premier has their big ski tow bar if you want to do any water sports. This is nice and sturdy, also very accessible to get your ropes. This is the RF layout, so very nice layout to relax. We have our table mounted in the back in between here. Captain, co-captain seat. New for this year is this pop-out table for Premier. Definitely another nice option that they added. Huge ski locker storage. And I like that they have your trash can readily accessible, so you don't have to be going underneath seats. And nice lounge layout in the front. This boat is available at MarineMax Nisswa or come view it on our website.